Hi friends, welcome to CrafTym. Hope you are all good. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Then you will get notification for our new videos. Please follow our Instagram and Facebook page. Link will be in the description. Today we are making a wall frame using a cardboard. Let's start. Take a cardboard of size 35.7 by 27 cm. We have to make border for this cardboard to look like a wall frame. Cut this cardboard into pieces of 3 cm thickness. The longer ones are 35.7 cm, the longer side of the cardboard. Take 12 such pieces. Let's stick this to the base. These are 37.5 cm length piece having 3 cm thickness. I am using glue gun for sticking. Many of you were asking what you can use instead of glue gun. You can use Fevicol or white glue, but this takes some time to dry up. Now take 27 cm length piece and stick to shorter edge. Now measure the length as I am showing with the cardboard and stick it. Do it for other 3 sides also. Now the base is completed. I'm using tissue paper to cover the border. Take some white glue and mix it with water. First apply some mixture on the cardboard and then place the tissue paper and apply glue over it again. Apply black acrylic for the borders, or you can select any other color as you wish. This is an A4 size paper, stick it in the middle portion. Now we want to make design. I am using Canva application for that. Let's make. I am using this application for making thumbnails. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and share your valuable comments. I am always happy to hear from you. Now let's make our design. Give a custom size of 15 by 23.7 cm and create design. First apply background color. You can select variety of different shapes. I am applying green shade for our design. Now search shapes. You will get a list of shapes. I am using circle for our design and make it simple. Now applying green shade for these circles. If you want to duplicate the page, press this button. Now I am rearranging the design. Search flowers, you will get many flower designs. I am selecting simple line flowers for the design. Oh, I don't like this design, so I'm making it more simple, giving a white background. Search tropical leaves, you will get a list of designs. I'm selecting this watercolor tropical leaf and rearranging it to make a design. Now making one more simple design using a leaf. Now to download, press this download button. You can download it in any format like PDF, JPG or PNG. I am downloading it in PDF format. Also, if you want to select only 2 pages or like 3 pages, you can select here. Now print the design and here it is. Take a cardboard of 15 by 23.7 cm. Stick the design on the cardboard. Now stick this design on the center of the wall frame. And now our wall frame is ready. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Please like the video and share your comments. Stay safe and healthy. We'll see you on next video. Thank you.